Joining us now, the author of American Morning and KSFO radio talk show host Melanie Morgan, and the author of Divorce Wars, Father's Rights, attorney Jeffery Leving. Welcome you both. Melanie, what Alex said is inexcusable. It was terrible. Shouldn't have talked like that, especially knowing it's being recorded. But don't you have a question about how this tape became public and who might have leaked it to the press so that this could only hurt his child, right?
No, I do not care who leaked that tape to the public. No, I shouldn't. You know what I should care about is Ireland Baldwin, a little girl who happens to have a misogynistic and narcissistic father who has belittled her in an atavistic and cruel way that I have rarely seen or heard in public before. And I think that if Kim Basinger did leak that tape, and I think that whoever was responsible owes all of us a debt of gratitude, because now we have seen an evil act. This man has trashed this little girl's psychological well-being, and it is absolutely disgusting to me.
If Kim Basinger, we don't know if she did or not, but if she did, that would be in violation of a court order not to discredit her husband to her child. If Kim Basinger, we don't know, but if she did leak this tape, she is the one who's putting her child and embarrassing her child publicly.
No, it is Alec Baldwin who has put his child in danger. He has threatened her and bullied her and belittled her in a way that is shocking and stunning. And whatever is left of his pathetic actor's career, I hope that any woman or any sane person, including men, would recognize that this man is dangerous. How many red flag warnings do we need? And let me tell you, here's the frightening aspect of the story, is this man has political aspirations. So for that, I owe whoever leaked the tapes a debt of gratitude.
Jeffrey, there's no excuse for what Alec Baldwin said. It's absolutely inexcusable. No child or anybody should be talked to like that. But how can you not ask how this tape became public and what effect the publication of this tape has on this child that Melanie claims to care about first and foremost?
Exactly. The real issue here isn't Alec Baldwin's outburst. The real issue here is protecting the best interest of Ireland, and the court is attempting to do that. And if in fact there is a court order directing such information not to be released, and obviously it has been released, the issue is the right of privacy for this little girl. The publication
Jeffrey,
of this tape surely...
Jeffrey, I'll deal with the issue of the leaked tape later. The more important question here is this man is threatening his daughter, belittling, besmirching, and threatening his daughter. First and foremost.
Well, I'll be glad to respond.
I'm going to get on a plane. I'm going to come out there. You have insulted me for the last time. I'm going to straighten your blank out. I'm going to really make sure you get it. Don't you think that's a terroristic threat? I do.
It's not a terroristic threat.
Sounds like it.
It's frustration. Do you want me to respond? It's frustration. He's frustrated and he's hurt. I represent many fathers.
Why are you making excuses for him to take it out on his daughter? He's mad at Kim Basinger. Take it out on her.
You want my opinion? You want my opinion? My opinion is that parents lose their temper. I'm a father. I've lost my temper.
Have you ever talked to your daughter like that?
Has lost his temper.
Have you ever talked to your daughter like that, sir?
No, but I have not gone through a terrible divorce, and I'm a divorce attorney, and I've represented many fathers.
I don't care how terrible it is. You are excusing his behavior, sir.
Sir, I am not condoning his behavior. My concern here is protecting this minor child from parental alienation, and I'm concerned about her right to privacy, and this tape should not have been released.
Do you think she really is going to love him after that tape?
Yes, I do. I believe they have a good relationship.
You believe that?
What we have here is we have a picture of Alec Baldwin.
Excuse me, let me see. You're a rude little pig. Oh, how old are you? 12 or are you 13? He doesn't even know how. Father of the Year doesn't know how old his daughter is.
Sir, I heard the tape, and all of your viewers heard the tape. The key here is you have a snapshot picture of a dad at his worst.
A rude little pig.
Why don't we show a
11-year-old girl a rude little pig?
Sir, why don't we show a snapshot picture of him at his best? Why don't we show a true picture of him as a father, opposed to taking a snapshot picture of him when he blew up and using that to discredit him?
Melanie,
sir, this is discrediting him, and this is not in the best interest of his child.
I can't discredit him any more than what the tape does, sir.
He made a mistake.
A mistake.